I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. Looking for more than just a tutorial? Head over to pdtech.co.nz to see how we can manage this all for you.
Paying your bills on time while managing cash flow can be a real challenge. Xero helps you keep everything balanced. You can email bills directly into Xero to automate bill creation, schedule payments, and batch pay suppliers. The Purchases overview gives you a complete view of your bills and purchase orders. Just drag the graph along to see what bills are coming due. Blue bars represent bills that are due, while green bars show paid bills. You can alternate creating a draft bill by forwarding emailed bill attachments from your suppliers to a unique Xero email address. To set this up, first generate and save your unique email address you'll send the bills to. From the Purchases menu, select Bills. Under New Bill, select Copy or Forwarding Email Address and save it to your address book in your email program. Then, forward any attached bills you've received from your suppliers to Xero. From Bills, select the Draft tab. Open the draft bill that has been created and check that Xero has added the details correctly. They will appear side by side. The original bill will remain attached to the transaction in Xero for tidy record keeping. When your bills are due, go to the Awaiting Payment tab. You can also use the Planned Date column here. Add dates when you plan to pay your bills. Later, you can group them together by sorting the column so you can easily select them to pay them when they come due. Just select any bills you want to settle and click Make Payment. And then tick Batch Payment. Xero will guide you to create an electronic batch payment file that you can upload into your internet banking. For Xero US and Canadian customers, you can also print off checks. Xero is all about helping you stay on top of cash flow. Let Xero take the pain out of purchases so you can focus on running your business.